Will Bitcoin replace fiat currency? A comprehensive analysis. The idea of Bitcoin replacing fiat currency is one of the most debated topics in the world of finance and technology. Since its inception in 2009, Bitcoin has promised an alternative to government-issued currencies, offering decentralization, transparency, and a fixed supply. But can it truly replace fiat currencies like the dollar, euro, or yen? This detailed analysis explores the possibilities, challenges, and implications of Bitcoin becoming the world's dominant form of money. 1. What makes Bitcoin a contender to replace fiat? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized blockchain network, free from control by central banks or governments. Its capped supply of 21 million coins ensures scarcity, making it immune to inflation caused by excessive money printing. Transactions are recorded on a transparent public ledger, increasing security and reducing fraud. Additionally, Bitcoin's global accessibility allows anyone with an internet connection to participate in its network, positioning it as a potential global medium of exchange. 2. The case for Bitcoin replacing fiat. Inflation and monetary policy issues. Fiat currencies are susceptible to inflation due to excessive printing by central banks. Countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe have experienced hyperinflation, leading to a collapse in their currency's value. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, offers a hedge against such risks. Financial inclusion. Bitcoin can empower the unbanked population, which consists of billions of people worldwide. By bypassing traditional banking systems, Bitcoin enables these individuals to participate in the global economy. Efficiency and cost reduction. Bitcoin transactions, especially using technologies like the Lightning Network, are faster and cheaper than traditional banking and cross-border payment systems. Resistance to government control. Bitcoin operates independently of any government, making it appealing in regions where political instability or authoritarian regimes undermine trust in local currencies. 3. Challenges to Bitcoin replacing fiat. Volatility. Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, which makes it unsuitable as a stable medium of exchange. Businesses and individuals need a currency with predictable value for everyday transactions. Scalability issues. The Bitcoin network processes a limited number of transactions per second compared to traditional payment systems like Visa. While solutions like the Lightning Network are improving scalability, they are not yet universally adopted. Regulatory barriers. Governments are unlikely to relinquish control over their monetary systems. Many countries have introduced regulations to restrict or monitor Bitcoin use, citing concerns over money laundering, tax evasion, and economic stability. Lack of adoption. While Bitcoin adoption is growing, it is still far from being universally accepted. Most businesses and consumers continue to rely on fiat currencies for their daily transactions. Energy consumption. Bitcoin mining consumes significant amounts of energy, raising environmental concerns. This could hinder its adoption as a global currency unless more sustainable mining practices are developed. 4. Scenarios where Bitcoin could replace fiat. While it may not entirely replace fiat, Bitcoin could play a significant role in specific scenarios. As a global reserve currency, Bitcoin could complement fiat currencies as a global reserve asset. Similar to gold, central banks might hold Bitcoin to diversify their reserves. In economically unstable regions, in countries experiencing hyperinflation or economic collapse, Bitcoin could become a preferred currency for transactions and savings. In a cashless society, as societies move toward cashless transactions, Bitcoin could emerge as a dominant digital alternative, especially in decentralized economies. Technological advancements. Future technological breakthroughs, such as improvements in scalability and environmental sustainability, could make Bitcoin a more practical alternative to fiat. 5. The role of governments and central banks. Governments and central banks are key players in determining whether Bitcoin can replace fiat. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Many governments are developing CBDCs as a response to Bitcoin. These digital versions of fiat currencies aim to combine the efficiency of blockchain with the stability of centralized control. Regulatory clarity. Governments are increasingly regulating Bitcoin, which could either hinder its adoption or legitimize it as a complementary asset. 6. Expert opinions. Elon Musk, suggests that Bitcoin could become the default currency of the internet but acknowledges its energy consumption and scalability challenges. Ray Dalio believes Bitcoin is a viable store of value but unlikely to replace fiat due to regulatory resistance. Jack Dorsey sees Bitcoin as the future of money, particularly in promoting financial inclusion. 7. The likely outcome: coexistence. The most plausible scenario is that Bitcoin will coexist with fiat currencies rather than replace them entirely. Digital gold. Bitcoin could serve as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Similar to gold. Alternative payment system. It could complement fiat currencies in specific use cases, such as cross-border payments or online transactions. Catalyst for innovation. Bitcoin's rise has inspired financial innovation, including blockchain technology and decentralized finance, DeFi. Conclusion. While Bitcoin has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, replacing fiat currency entirely is an ambitious goal fraught with challenges. Its volatility, scalability issues, and regulatory hurdles make it unsuitable as a universal medium of exchange for now. However, Bitcoin's unique attributes, decentralization, fixed supply, and borderless nature, position it as a powerful alternative in specific scenarios. Rather than replacing fiat, Bitcoin is more likely to coexist as a complementary asset, serving as digital gold, a reserve currency, or a tool for financial inclusion. The future of money may not be a choice between Bitcoin and fiat but a hybrid system where both coexist, leveraging their respective strengths to build a more inclusive and efficient global economy.